Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create slow motion transition video editing using VN Video Editor. Okay, let's get into it guys. Before we start the editing, I'm going to show you how the slow motion transition editing looks like. Okay, I'm going to show you how we can create this video guys. And first of all, make sure that you have already installed VN Video Editor app on your mobile phone. And then you're going to create a new project. You can click on this plus icon and then you can choose new project. And since we want to edit video, we can choose video based. All right. And then you're going to import the video that you want to edit. And then I'm going to choose video from my download album right here. I'm going to choose video category and I'm going to select this video. Okay, and we're going to go to the speed menu. It's right here, and you can choose custom speed, and then you can make it like this guys, but actually it depends on your video. But for me, I'm just going to make it like this for the speed ramp, right? And then you can keep adjusting if you're still not satisfied with the result. And you can use this icon to add point. For example, if you want to add more points to the speed ramp, you can click on this menu, this icon like this, and a new point will be added. But wait, I'm just going to delete it guys because I don't need to add new point. Oops, sorry. Okay, I have already deleted the point and this is the final result. But again, it depends on your video and you can adjust it according to your video. All right, and then if you want to export your video, you can click on this export icon and then you can choose the resolution. I recommend you to choose 4K so it can create better quality. And then you just need to click on export here and then the video will be saved to your device. Okay, you can also adjust the FPS guys, and I'm going to click on export and you can upload your video to your social media or you can use it just for fun. And okay guys, that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video guys.